Making step cuts on the router table, next at randallprice.com. One of the great features of a plunge router is the ability to make a series of relatively shallow but ever deeper cuts using the stepped turret. A twist of the stepped turret allows you to increase the depth of cut setting for the next pass, guaranteeing a cut that's not too deep. In this video, you'll see a super simple jig that allows you to do the same thing on the router table. To make the jig, cut a piece of 1/8 inch hardboard to a length that is slightly longer than the width of your router table. Add a 1x2 cleat to each end of the hardboard so that it sits over your router table without sliding. Then cut another piece of hardboard the same width as your router table so that it slides under the first piece. In this case, I want to make a 3/8 inch deep cut, so I've used 2 pieces of 1/8 inch hardboard. With each pass, I'll remove 1 piece of hardboard, making the depth of cut 1/8 inch deeper with each pass. After this last pass, I've made a 3/8 inch deep cut in 3 1/8 inch passes without readjusting the router bit. If you wanted to make a deeper cut, all you would need to do is add more 1/8 inch strips. For woodworking plans, tips, and resources, visit www.randallprice.com.